YouTube, what it do? I know I haven't really did any drive-alongs since I had the Camaro, so I figured I might as well. I got the cuz with me.
Yeah, over there.
He got the Infiniti Coupe G35, and yeah, we just trying to get these cars together for the summer. We gonna put the channel together, Dream Team Customs. That's gonna be the crew name. We're gonna get some emblems and stuff made, put on the cars, get the YouTube channel and stuff all put on the whip. And yeah, right now I'm just gonna get y'all a couple little clips just so y'all can hear how the exhaust sound and a couple drive-bys. All right.